Hello everyone. So tonight I have an exciting product to show you guys. It is an alarm clock. Alright, how exciting, right? Alright, so what is so exciting about this alarm clock, or clock radio, whichever you want to call it? This isn't your typical alarm clock that you find in a store. This has Amazon Alexa built right in. And of course it's voice activated. So there are other radios and clocks like this that have Amazon Alexa built right in, but they tend to run like over $100. This was half that price. And so I got this at Target on Cyber Mondays. They were running additional like 15% off. So I got this for like a fairly good price, I think. So I don't have any Amazon Alexa products, so this will be my first Alexa product. So let's just open it right up. Let's not waste any time. Let's just get right to it. Well, first look at the box. The back of it here says, this is a voice-activated clock with Amazon Alexa. Make life easier with the voice-activated clock with Amazon Alexa. And just like any other Alexa product, you can ask her to turn on your smart home devices, set your alarm, play your sleep playlist, play music and all that stuff. And here's all the features. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can listen to your favorite streaming services. It's got a nightlight even, and also a USB port for charging your phone, which is really cool. Alright, so let's open this up. Shouldn't be too hard to open. Have to grab it by the edges here. It's really tight. Alright. Hello. Well, hello. Hi there. Alright, we got the instruction manual. And the company that makes this, they are iLive, or it might be pronounced iLive, maybe whatever your preference is. I've never actually heard them before, so this would be interesting to see how good this product is. Alright, first thing we have here is, do you like asking Alexa to play your favorite songs? We do too! Yeah, so do I. Weak Wi-Fi, get amped. Well, my Wi-Fi is pretty strong. In here we have some little sheets on setting alarms and a quick start guide, and you can also download the manuals. Well, you can download the app, the Alexa app, using these codes. And hey, we got a Spotify. Say hello to Spotify Premium. Your new device has Spotify Connect built in. No codes here though for any trials or anything. And of course the instruction manual. I'll look through this later. Alright, now time for the actual clock. Alright, so of course we have the AC adapter. Nothing special with that. But we do have the clock, which is wrapped really nicely. Alright. Okay. So as you can see, it looks like a typical alarm clock. It doesn't really look like anything different, which I liked. I like that this looks like a typical clock. It doesn't really stand out. So this, of course, is the front, where the time is displayed. The night light is down here, I believe. This lights up. And up here you have your buttons. You have your night light button, your snooze button, your power, your dimmer. And it looks like forward and backward. This is probably for your Wi-Fi to pair it. And you have your microphone mute, your volume up and down, and your microphone. This might be for your microphone up and down. Not exactly sure. you guys have to read the manual. And on the back, you have your speaker, mono speaker, and USB charger on the back, and your power in. Alright, so without further ado, let's just hook this up and see what it does. Alright, here we go. So let's just plug it in. Right in the back right here. Okay, well, we got numbers. So now, the manual says right here, press the power button to turn on the clock.
Power on. Wi-Fi mode.
There we go. And it'll flash multiple colors, which is normal. Alright, so now you gotta download this Wi-Fi app. It's called iLive Platinum, which I already have here on my phone. So then we go to search. And it should
Entering setup mode. Follow the instructions in the app to finish setup.
Select device. Okay, so I guess you gotta choose the model number, which, let's see, this is the ICFW FV4428B. So that's this right here. Here we go.
You are now connected to your speaker. Follow the instructions in the app to finish setup.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Now it's working. Okay. So now this is where you set up your Wi-Fi connection.
Connected to your Wi-Fi network.
Alright, cool. So now I can name the device. We'll just choose bedroom. Your device includes Alexa. You're welcome.
Login unsuccessful. Please try setting up your Amazon account via your mobile app.
So now I'm going to sign into my Amazon. You notice there it also just synchronized the clock, so that's cool. Alright, so it's logged in. So now of course I choose English. So now Amazon Alexa is ready. So you can disable the microphone as shown in the image above. So you can disable it by pressing this button. And then the microphone is disabled. And then you press that button, the microphone's back on. And apparently there's a new version, so we'll upgrade. This might be updating the...
System update in progress. Please do not power off.
This is probably updating the system software, I guess, inside the clock itself. So that's pretty cool.
Firmware update complete.
Okay, it's been a few minutes, and the firmware update has just now completed. And I think it's getting ready to reboot. So from this app, you can tell it to, you can set up your iHeartRadio account, your music, your Spotify, your Amazon Alexa, whichever. You can also add more services. And this is all through the iLive app or the iLive app. Alright, so as far as I know, the clock is all set up. Let's test the nightlight out real quick. Looks like there's 3 bright settings. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. I'll turn the light off and see how that works. And that actually lights up pretty good. There's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. So not bad. Alright, so let's try giving her a command. Let's see here. Let me just try a, let me try an iHeart radio station. Hey Alexa, play Alt 92.9 on iHeartRadio.
Getting the new 93Q station from iHeartRadio.
We put out an EP and this little label I started.
No, it didn't hear me.
We put out an EP and with some of those
Let me-
songs on it.
let me try it again.
We put up enough people to come to a show at CMA Fest.
Hey Alexa, play Alt 92.9 on iHeartRadio.
93Q station from iHeartRadio.
It just wants to keep playing that station.
Songs, you got
Well, let's try something else.
you have all these things, and now it's just
Hey Alexa,
getting a
play KUTX 98.9 on iHeartRadio.
TX Music, 98.9 Austin station from iHeartRadio.
Support for streaming comes from Independence Brewing.
Alright, now that one works.
Highboy, a double dry hop
You may have to be more specific about what station you want to listen to.
beer bars, food truck, and live music calendar on
But at least it is quick to respond.
IndependenceBrewing.com.
Hey Alexa, play 89.3 The Current on iHeartRadio.
HH.D3 from TuneIn.
Support for NPR comes from this station
That is not it at all.
and from Stars, with the original series counterpart.
Alright, well I'll have to play around with Alexa a little bit more. But this clock also has Bluetooth, so we can switch it to Bluetooth mode by just pressing this button up here.
Bluetooth mode.
And now, so now I can turn Bluetooth on my phone. So now press and hold the pair button,
Bluetooth is connecting.
and then we scan. One Bluetooth device has been found. This is this one right here.
Bluetooth connected.
And it is connected. So now I should be able to use any app on the phone, like the Next Radio app here. And then I should be able to listen to any radio station here through the clock. So that's pretty cool. And if I wanted to, I could even listen to YouTube audio through that.
Epic Games is looking to lay a world of hurt on Steam/Valve. Let's get into it. Skip it up and down. So literally yesterday.
Well, check it out, guys. It's Rich from ViewTech USA.
Revenue distribution
talking through the clock radio.
70-30 across the board.
Pretty neat, huh?
Of the revenue, about 30, which is the industry norm. But due to developers taking their AAA games elsewhere.
Alright, so overall, guys, I think I'm going to like this clock. Sometimes Alexa has a little trouble like understanding my commands. I don't know if that's anything to do with just Alexa herself or just the microphone that's on the clock. But overall, the features are pretty cool and the response time's pretty quick. I do like the way this clock looks. I like that it looks like a traditional clock radio with all these smart features built in. Now, one feature that is actually missing from this clock is an AM/FM radio. There is no way to listen to live AM or FM radio broadcast on this clock. Now, I can see why they did that, because you have all these other ways you can listen to music. You have all these streaming options and your Bluetooth options, so I guess they figured you wouldn't want the AM/FM radio. But I still would have liked to have it. If you still want to listen to regular AM/FM radio, you can use the streaming services to do that. But overall, guys, so that is my setup and quick review of this iLive or iLive smart radio for your bedside table or whichever room you decide to use it in. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you guys for watching.